Hey guys, welcome back. So, today, if you don't know what we're doing, we are going to be making slime. So, we are going to be making a big slime though, and sorry that the bowl's kind of dirty because I have made many slimes with this bowl. So, I'm going to open my glue. Sorry if you can hear a lot of noise back there. Oh, and actually we are going to be making a huge slime. So, gonna keep pouring and pouring. Alright, I think that's enough. I used almost all of it. Look, this is like barely anything. Alright, so let's put that glue away. And I'm going to use some purple. That kind of looks like pink. But yeah, so it's kind of dirty too. Let's put that in. There we go. And let's start mixing. Do you guys like my headband? It's an LOL headband. So, yeah. So, as you can see from the bowl here. Oh, sorry, my dog's barking. So, yeah. Mixing. This is a really light purple. I do not want light purple. So, I'm going to keep putting some color until I get it to the purple I want it to get to. So, oh, that was kind of crazy. So, you can see it's getting purple. Yeah, sorry about the background noise. My dog's barking, so yeah. See, yeah, told you. Hey Lola, can you stop barking? Yeah. So, this is a nice purple, but not nice enough. So, let's keep putting it in. Like a nice purple. And I've done many slimes in my channel. So go check those out. There we go. This looks like a nice purple. Has a lot of purple streaks. So fun. Sorry, I'm like singing a song. I love that song. It's from the Hashik Sisters. Don't know if you know that. Know those girls, but they sing really nice. So this is like the purple I want it to get to. So now we can add our activator and put that glue to the side. I'm going to pour in my activator. So that was so much. I'm gonna have to clean that. Alright, after this video. So we have our activator, and now let's pour it in. You don't want to pour in too much because it will get hard. But if you're making a jumbo slime, then you might have to add a lot. See, it's not even sliming. It's still really gluey. So pour in some more. Oh, okay. There we go. Now it's starting to slime. Up. See, you can literally see there's like a puddle right there. So let's keep mixing. Mix, 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 gotta mix, 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 gotta mix, 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 mix. So let's keep mixing. Still needs more activator. Alright. And now we gotta keep mixing. And if you guys don't know, we are putting up a fence. They are putting our gate, so like we can open and get inside. So yeah, and I showed you that the construction when they were doing that in What's Up in the Fam video. What's up with the fam? What's up in the fam? So yeah, still needs more activators, so I'm gonna add a lot this time. All right. So, how have you guys been doing? Because I've been doing fine during quarantine. Because I'm just like filming and reading on Epic. This is like that book app for reading. You can have it on the iPad, on your iPhone or something like that. So I'm seeing that it's starting to slime up now, but it's still gluey, so. And we can add more activator. So, and you know, usually it would be activated already, but this is huge slime, and there are way bigger slimes than this. Oh, there we go. Oh, here. I thought you guys could see, but you couldn't. So, this is so much work. Let's keep mixing. Oh, look at that. Alright, I think I'm going to start getting in with my hands, and I'll have one hand for putting in more activator. Whoa, look at that. So, I think I might need more activator because look at my hands. They are a bit gluey. And we can mix that in. We can put it all around. I'm just kneading and kneading. And sometimes slime will melt if you leave it in a hot car, or if you put in way too much, not activator, because if you put in way too much food coloring, because it'll get really dark, but then it also can get what's the word? Melty. And like watery and liquidy, and then sticks to your hands, and I don't think you guys want that. So now, oh, look at this. This is amazing. Whoa. Okay, you guys really have to try making slime if you haven't already. Okay, now let's put this stuff to the side. And put it right here so you guys can see it. There. That took a lot of time to activate, but we got there in the end. Yep. And all you have to do is like keep working on it. And you'll get there. So, look at that. Nice and purple. Nice and slimy. Let's see how far it stretches. So like, starting to see it now. Whoa! It is so much fun. And I might have added too much activator, and you know what that happens? It gets hard. But don't worry, I'm a slime expert and I can fix that with a little bit of lotion, foamy soap, water, or more glue. So, yeah. Yeah. So, that is the end for today's video. So, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!